everybody, welcome back. We're on a walk today and we're down by the North Somerset Council Portbury Wharf Nature Reserve. So we're going to take you along with us. I'll just show you the board there. And it's a beautiful day, look at that. And here we are.
Hello.
Hello everyone. So we're beautiful day. We'll take you along with us to see if we can find that nature reserve. Okay. As you can see, it is a beautiful day today. And we're on the footpath and we're looking for the nature reserve. You can see our car parked right over there. But it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Say hello, Tony.
Say hello, Ruth.
So this is the trail we're on, and my God, it's so warm too, isn't it?
Yeah.
I got a mac on, but it's really warm. If I just show you round, it's beautiful today. This is a little winter grassland board here on the trail. As you can see, you can get the barn owl, and you've got deers, and you've got foxes and badgers, as well as the field mice. So yeah, lots of things to look out for here. Absolutely beautiful. And there's Portbury right over there, look. Lovely. So we're still on the path, aren't we, Tony?
Yes, we are.
It is beautiful today. There is no wind whatsoever. It's really warm too, isn't it?
It is, yes.
So hopefully we'll be there soon. And we're hoping to find, there's a lake there, is it?
Yeah.
So
Salt lakes.
yeah. So we're hoping to find that next. And we just found, is it a bird hive in it or something? Where you
Where you look over for
wildlife.
wildlife.
You can see the wildlife. You can see we just come down this little path here, and we just come across this. So we could take you inside. Hopefully there's no one in there. If there is anyone in there, I'll have to stop filming. But, I think there isn't there. You go first and see if there's anyone in, because I'll have to stop the camera if there is.
Hello, Rick.
It's gorgeous. Here's some more birds of what's here in the nature reserve, and we just went into the hide, didn't we?
Yes.
And there was a lovely gentleman there, and he's filming the birds at the moment, and he said we get, is it eagles? Not eagles.
Buzzards.
Buzzards. So you actually get buzzards here as well, and well, lots of different birds, isn't there?
Yes,
So,
there is.
and when he told us to walk down the bottom of this path, and we should see some feeding, so hopefully we'll catch some birds feeding. See you in a bit. This is good, isn't it, Tony?
Yes.
They've actually got bird feeders outlet around there for the birds. There's a I think that's a, I don't know what that bird is, but we just saw a couple of birds on there just now, and I don't know if it come out on the camera. And yeah, it's lovely down here. There's a bird there, look. Can you see it, Tony? Look at this. This is a insect patch. They've built it for all the insects. Alright, that's brilliant. So if you look at this board here, it says winter insect patch. And so it attracts all these, you know, the bees and the butterflies, all sorts. Most insects in the winter, as they lay their eggs, were larvae. So they've got this insect patch built here for them. I think that's brilliant, isn't it?
Yeah, different, isn't it?
That's really good. That's lovely. Unusual. So as you can see here, there's loads of different paths on this nature trail. It goes on for miles. In fact, you can walk to Portishead from here. You've got the lake over where the hide is, where I took some pictures of the swans earlier. But yeah, this is really something. I didn't realise how big this trail was. So I've got another board here. It shows you, and you've got the signs there. If you walk that way, it goes to the Portishead Marina. Yeah, it's quite good. And that's where we came from Wolf Lane. Yeah, lovely. It is absolutely a beautiful day today. Really is. I'm glad we come out today. Well, saying that, the last few days have been really nice. Feels like spring now. Spring is here. Daffodils are out. It's lovely. So I'll go and catch up with Tony and see where we're going next.
Yeah, this is just a few of the birds that's around here. You've got the little owl. You've got
Is it buzzards?
the buzzards, yeah.
Yeah, they've got lots of...
They're nice to see.
This is the winter tree, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bird. And there's so much wildlife here. And I don't know if you can see right over there, but they've got bird boxes literally all around the area. But it is a beautiful walk, and there's loads of little paths in it. You can cycle as well, isn't there?
Yeah.
So you don't have to walk. If you've got a push bike, you can cycle around them, take your dogs around them. The only thing we did find out is you can only see the lake with the birds on it from the hides. Obviously it's protected, and
Yeah.
it's to stop, you know, dogs and
Yeah, they got
people going near it.
There's plenty of wildlife.
Yeah, it's beautiful here. So we're on our way back now. Long walk back.
Yes.
So, but we are enjoying it, aren't we?
Yes, we are. A lovely day.
Beautiful day today. So we'll go back to the car now.
Yes, yes.
So see you in a bit.
Hello.
Hello everybody. We're back in the car, aren't we?
Yes, we are.
That was a lovely walk. I think we must have walked for about
It seemed
an
like
hour or so.
miles.
But it was at least a couple of miles we walked today. But absolutely beautiful day. Can't grumble. And that was the nature work in the Wolf
Yes,
Portbury
Nature Wolf.
Yeah, and it's beautiful. So plenty of paths there we could have took, but we just took the easiest one. And we don't want to go too far, did we?
No.
So we hope you enjoyed that. And if you liked the vid today, don't forget to like
And subscribe.
Share, and take care. We'll see you all in the next one.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.